dirt. You and your friend were the ones picking on that kidder.
Leave our field, or you'll pay the consequences.
What is this, children of the corn?
I'm gonna call the cops.
We are cops. We're Navy SEALs.
Navy SEALs aren't cops.
Aren't you a paper boy?
I'm undercover.
All right, you cocky jerks. You want the field so bad? We'll play you for it.
But there are 9 of us and 3 of you.
So you should beat us, no problem. What, are you scared?
No.
Yeah, chicken.
I'm gonna go ask our team.
This is a bad idea. They look tough.
I saw that demon boy laying beef in some nice kid's mouth earlier today.
Clark used to get beef laid in his face all the time.
Oh, and you didn't?
I got wedgies. That's different. It's cooler.
Well, do it.
Time to meet your makers.
Makers of what? Poop?
Come on, Troy, strike this loser out.
He hit himself in the head with the bat.
Where's the strike zone? Right, two.
Right there.
Sit down, Spaz.
Heat.
Each me.
1 out. Gonna be 2 outs.
Yeah, I bet you're a good catcher of donuts in your mouth.
Don't chop at him. It's not a sword.
You're not a sword.
Come on, hit.
Right, two.
Oh, that's ugly, man.
Strike out, video boy.
Come on now.
I thought we weren't doing all of it.
But I did get it. Hit the bat.
I thought I wasn't doing all of it. I thought you said
I
do all of
kicked
it.
it. No, I kicked it.
But then you left
See that?
Way to make
that
contact
part
on
of
it.
it. I don't
Oh,
know,
yeah.
just
You know what? I was
confusing.
trying to get under to rip it the left and to throw him off.
Well, that part's already bleached white. I don't need any more color.
He's gone.
I did your roots all the way around your
All right,
head,
go,
and
go.
then
Come on.
the one part where it was